You are watching Hobbykit, a one-stop tech gear.
What is a Blynk? A Blynk is basically a server, and this establishes the connection between a controlling device and a controllable device. That means here the controlling device is Android or iOS. Using the Blynk application present in the mobile phone, you will be communicating to your microcontroller via Blynk server. The Blynk server acts as a communication bridge between your mobile phone and the microcontroller. All you need is an Arduino IDE software to program the microcontroller. Along with that, you need some certain libraries which is pre-built by the Blynk development. So you need to download the Blynk library in your Arduino IDE and then a Blynk application to trigger the microcontroller and to communicate with the microcontroller. How it works? Let me explain how the backend of this Blynk application is working. First, you need to install some libraries, Blynk library, into your Arduino IDE, and you need to code some coding in order to control your microcontroller and upload the code into your microcontroller, whatever it may be. It may be an Arduino, it may be an ESP8266, or it may be a Raspberry Pi. The Blynk server, the Blynk library is available with Arduino and ESP8266 and also Raspberry Pi. But when you are using Arduino, you need a Wi-Fi shield because the Blynk will be working with an internet connectivity. After uploading your code, now the backend work starts. As soon as you triggered any triggering service by using Blynk application, then it will be going to the Blynk server, and then the Blynk server will communicate it via internet to the microcontroller. That means the information which is sending from the mobile phone will be given to the Blynk server, and the Blynk server will connect
need an